All right. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. Let's talk on here. What is this? February the 10th, and we're 2020. And we're going to speak about our gold royalties. And before I do so, I want to go ahead and give a quick layout of what this video should be pertaining. And I'd like to start to practice on that introduction a little bit better. So work with me. Thank you again for patience and joining with me. And before that, all said and done, this is for my practice purposes. These are for my personal opinions and reviews. This is not for any illegal advice. So you would have to get your own legal advice. All right. And with that being said, let's go ahead and try to anticipate. We like to anticipate moves and price moves here and not follow after the fact when something and basically blurt out the news after the fact, more so. But with that also being said, what this is going to really give it just a quick analysis of what ELY Gold Royalties is doing here currently on my daily, weekly, and monthly chart. Briefly, and what direction, whether we see it actually taking place with it here. I'm sure I've got a video where the past two videos initially in my buy. Well, I knows where I was at when I initially started to state the buy, and the move since then. So I think this is a decent amount of investors that will like to have an idea of what other opinions would be, analysis from analysts, and like myself, that likes to be on point, and we can follow it either way. So what is taking place now? CL, let's see. Well, what I see from the look of a lot of this is obviously if we do decide to go ahead and get back within this range of 77, we want to see how it really approaches the 68 mark and potentially the 63 mark. Okay, do we actually come off strong if we do get down to the true support of 58? Do we come off the mark strong, and are buyers still gonna be there, is the question to remain, because we are in a bull and where is support in this. A lot of gapping is taking place within Royal Gold, starting out obviously in the 56, 58 mark and around the 70 mark. A lot of gapping, but on the overall monthly chart, we are strong to get over and peak over the 70 mark, 70 cent mark. And we still have now, well, we definitely have buyers slowing down and pull back for the moment, for the time being. We haven't had a major drop off in the bull move here per se. But that is not to say that there's still not any upside left before it really tried to find a solid support. So right now, I'm wanting to get over 77 cents or so. Obviously, get over this resistance line here and stay above it. But I would suspect a pullback and more tempting to get more buyers involved before it gets back. If it's pulled back and if it's choppy sideways and wants to hang above the 70 cents, then I can see us coming back in the bull perspective. If we have any strong sellers coming in, then I want to wait a little bit. But currently, it would seem to be a stretch over another month here, over the next 30 days of decision making. Buyers are a little skeptical at the moment. There's been a lot of shoot up of this here, and not to say that their buyers are done. And the sellers for sure are not even going anywhere. In the past 4 days, past week here, we've had sellers, and the price action is still holding. So with that many attempts and we still can't get anywhere to the downside, there's a lot of good strong buyers in this market, in this gold royalties, that I would say, in my opinion. And so again, over a monthly basis, I see a bull, and apparently within these days and weeks, it's going to be a little bit more trying to get more people, shake more people out. So expect that. Like I said, I do see buyers slowing down at this moment, but also I do still see it being strong, to the not wanting to go away just yet. But me myself, I would be out and waiting for a more solid sound of a buy to get ahead and get over that 77 cents. Even if I'm fear missing out, it's not about missing out, because it needs to test itself at least twice before it's sound to take off. So that's what I would want to see, where true buyers are coming in, but we have a double test to the downside before another liftoff in roll goes. But currently, we still, like I say, there is pressure around this 84 cents or so, 70 cents, and let's see what's going on these past hours. Okay, so I see it choppy. That's good. I do see it breaking, and so therefore, once it gets past, to be exact, 79 cents is my 79 cents. Matter of fact, let's go. Yep, I like to be exact. So if I say get over 79 cents, then that's where I will consider a buy. Right now, we're still in the bull market, but let's see where it goes. Currently, we still have some gaps to fill. I don't know if it's going to get back down to this 60-some cents to fill in that gap, but the 70 cents is definitely a attempt here. All right, so that should be good there for a good period of time for you Royal Gold stock bull. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching, and also please hit the like button. Give me some love. Show me some love. Show me that you're interested in what's going on here, and I will do more of these videos. I try to keep it not so consistent. Well, consistent with the directions, but the videos of not everyday videos all the time. Like I say, most of my videos are going to be pretty much pinpoint from top and bottoms, so the in between noise and distractions, and so I'll leave that for others, and I'm pretty much still on point with the overall moves when I do upload my videos on the directions. All right, thank you again for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe.